My name is Asmaa Boujibar. I'm a postdoctoral fellow at the Carnegie Institution Geophysical Laboratory. I am an experimental petrologist and planetary science, so I use experiments in the lab in order to understand processes happening during planetary differentiation and formation. At the AGU, I will present results of my research, which is on the distribution of alkali elements between core and mantle. So I use experiments in the lab to understand how alkali elements distribute between core and mantle, and how at the end you can trap some of these elements in the core. So using experiments in the lab, we can calculate what is the actual concentration of these elements in Earth core. So during Earth accretion, you have different asteroids hitting Earth. So these asteroids can be very different. Some can have large cores, some can have tiny cores, and sometimes you can even have a sulfide layer between core and mantle. And so it is important then for our experiments to have reactions going on during core, mantle, and the sulfide layer. So we conduct experiments at a high pressure and high temperature using multi-anvil press by taking a powder of metal and silicate, putting it in the capsule, and then compressing and heating at very high temperature. And we get a tiny sample like this one, with 1 millimeter of sample, where you have different phases, metal, silicates, and sulfide, and we measure that with the electron microscope in order to have compositions and then calculate partition coefficients and model what are the contents in the core. In this study, we found that alkali elements actually like to go into sulfide phases when you have a lot of oxygen in sulfides. So if you want to find out more about these results, you can come to the AGU next week. It's going to be next Monday at 5:30. Thank you.